Did you know that Brazilian waxing is one of the most popular hair removal methods worldwide? Millions of people embrace this technique for its long-lasting smoothness and confidence-boosting results. But what exactly is Brazilian waxing, and why is it so sought after? In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of Brazilian waxing, covering everything from different styles to essential aftercare tips. Get ready to achieve the silky smooth skin of your dreams. Brazilian waxing involves removing hair from the pubic region using hot wax. This technique targets hair from the front, around the labia, and often extends to the back. The result? Weeks of smooth, hair-free skin. Brazilian waxing is popular for its long-lasting results compared to shaving and its ability to provide a cleaner look, especially when wearing swimwear or lingerie. Brazilian waxing offers a range of styles to suit your preferences. Whether you're looking for a subtle touch-up or a completely bare look, there's a waxing style for everyone. The most popular styles include full Brazilian. This style removes all hair from the pubic region, leaving you completely bare. It's perfect for those who prefer a clean, smooth look with no hair left behind. Many find it to be the ultimate in personal grooming, offering a fresh and hygienic feel. Bikini line wax. This classic option focuses on removing hair along the bikini line, ensuring a clean look in swimwear. It's ideal for those who want to maintain a natural look while still feeling confident in their favorite bikini or swimsuit. This style is less invasive and can be a great starting point for those new to waxing. Hollywood wax. Similar to the full Brazilian, this style leaves no hair behind. It's a popular choice for those who want a completely hairless look, offering a sleek and polished appearance. The Hollywood wax is often chosen by those who appreciate the feeling of total smoothness and the convenience of not having to worry about hair regrowth for several weeks. Landing strip. For those who prefer a bit of hair, the landing strip leaves a small vertical strip of hair at the front. This style offers a balance between bare and natural, providing a neat and tidy look while still retaining a touch of hair. It's a great option for those who want to experiment with different styles and find what suits them best. No matter which style you choose, it's important to consult with a professional beautician to ensure the best results. They can help you decide which waxing style will best suit your needs and preferences, and provide tips on aftercare to keep your skin smooth and healthy. Waxing can be a great way to boost your confidence and feel your best, whether you're hitting the beach or just enjoying everyday life. After your waxing session, proper aftercare is crucial. Using soothing lotions and avoiding tight clothing can help prevent irritation and ingrown hairs. Regular exfoliation and moisturizing will keep your skin looking and feeling its best. With the right care, you can enjoy the benefits of waxing for weeks, feeling smooth and confident. So whether you prefer a subtle touch or a completely bare look, Brazilian waxing offers a variety of styles to meet your needs. Explore your options and find the perfect style that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Before your appointment, there are a few things you can do to minimize discomfort and ensure optimal results. Hair length. Allow your hair to grow to about 1/4 of an inch, about the length of a grain of rice, for the wax to grip effectively. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliate the area 24 hours before your wax to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Pain relief. Consider taking an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen about 30 minutes before your wax to minimize discomfort. Section 5. The waxing process. Step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the entire waxing process, ensuring you know exactly what to expect during your appointment. Whether you're a first-timer or a regular, understanding each step can help ease any anxiety and make the experience smoother. First, your esthetician will cleanse the area with a gentle cleanser to remove any oils or residues. This step is crucial as it ensures that the wax adheres properly to the hair and not to the skin. The cleanser used is typically formulated to be gentle on sensitive areas, preventing any irritation or discomfort. Cleansing also helps to open up the pores, making the hair removal process more effective. Next, they will apply a thin layer of talc-free powder to absorb moisture and allow the wax to adhere properly. The powder acts as a barrier between the wax and the skin, reducing the risk of the wax sticking to the skin and causing unnecessary pain. It also helps to keep the area dry, which is essential for the wax to grip the hair effectively. The esthetician will ensure that the powder is evenly distributed, covering all areas that will be waxed. Then the esthetician will apply hot wax in the direction of hair growth using a spatula. The temperature of the wax is carefully controlled to be warm enough to spread easily, but not so hot as to cause burns. Applying the wax in the direction of hair growth helps to minimize discomfort and ensures that the hair is removed from the root. The esthetician will use a spatula to spread the wax evenly, creating a thin layer that covers the hair completely. Once the wax sets, they will quickly remove the wax strip against the direction of hair growth, using a firm and swift motion. This quick removal is key to minimizing pain and ensuring that the hair is pulled out from the root. The esthetician will hold the skin taut to reduce discomfort and prevent any bruising. The wax strip is removed in one swift motion, taking the hair with it and leaving the skin smooth. Steps 3 and 4 will be repeated until all desired hair is removed. The esthetician will work in small sections to ensure that all hair is removed efficiently and effectively. They will continuously check the area to make sure no hair is left behind. This repetition ensures that the entire area is smooth and hair-free. The esthetician's experience and technique play a significant role in making this process as quick and painless as possible. Finally, the esthetician will apply a soothing lotion or oil to calm the skin and reduce redness. This post-waxing care is essential to prevent any irritation or inflammation. The lotion or oil used is typically infused with calming ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile, which help to soothe the skin and promote healing. The esthetician will gently massage the lotion into the skin, ensuring that it is fully absorbed and that the skin is left feeling soft and smooth. This final step not only provides immediate relief, but also helps to maintain the results of the waxing for a longer period. By following these steps, your esthetician ensures a thorough and comfortable waxing experience. Understanding each part of the process can help you feel more at ease and prepared for your appointment. Remember, communication with your esthetician is key. Don't hesitate to ask questions or express any concerns you may have. They are there to make your experience as pleasant as possible. Section 6. Taming the heat pain management tips. Let's face it, waxing can be a bit uncomfortable, but these tips can help minimize any discomfort. Take deep breaths before and during the waxing process to help you relax. Chatting with your esthetician can help distract you from any discomfort. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before your wax, as they can increase sensitivity. Try to schedule your wax for a time when you're not premenstrual, as your pain threshold may be lower. Section 7. Aftercare essentials. Soothing, exfoliating, and maintaining that fresh feeling. Proper aftercare is crucial for preventing irritation, ingrown hairs, and maintaining those smooth results. After a waxing session, your skin is more sensitive and prone to irritation. Taking the right steps can make a significant difference in how your skin feels and looks. Start by cleansing the area with a mild, fragrance-free soap twice a day. This helps to remove any bacteria and sweat that could cause irritation or infection. Make sure the water is lukewarm, as hot water can further irritate the skin. After cleansing, apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm the skin and reduce redness. Aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe any discomfort and promote healing. Look for products that are specifically designed for post-wax care. Gently exfoliate the area 2 to 3 times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub or an exfoliating glove to remove dead skin cells that can clog hair follicles. Be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can cause more irritation. Wear loose-fitting clothing and cotton underwear to minimize friction and irritation. Tight clothing can rub against the skin and cause redness or even ingrown hairs. Cotton is a breathable fabric that allows your skin to heal without being suffocated. Avoid hot tubs, saunas, and excessive sun exposure for at least 24 hours after your wax. The heat can open up your pores and make your skin more susceptible to bacteria, leading to infections or breakouts. If you must be in the sun, make sure to apply a high SPF sunscreen to protect your skin. Staying hydrated is also important. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, which can aid in the healing process. Hydrated skin is more resilient and less likely to become irritated. Try to avoid heavy exercise for the first 24 hours after waxing. Sweating can irritate the freshly waxed skin and lead to breakouts or ingrown hairs. Light stretching or a gentle walk is fine, but save the intense workouts for later. If you experience any swelling or discomfort, a cold compress can be very effective. Apply it to the affected area for a few minutes to reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. This can be especially helpful in the first few hours after waxing. By following these aftercare tips, you can ensure that your skin remains smooth, healthy, and irritation-free. Proper aftercare not only helps to maintain the results of your waxing but also promotes overall skin health. Enjoy your smooth, beautiful skin with confidence. Section 8. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Avoid shaving between waxes as it disrupts the hair growth cycle and can lead to ingrown hairs. While exfoliation is essential, overdoing it can irritate the skin. If you do get an ingrown hair, avoid picking at it. Use a warm compress and a gentle exfoliant to help it surface. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the confidence of smooth. Brazilian waxing offers a fantastic way to achieve long-lasting smoothness and boost your confidence. By understanding the different styles, preparing adequately, and following proper aftercare, you can enjoy the benefits of this popular hair removal method. Remember to consult with a qualified esthetician to determine the best approach for your skin type and preferences. Embrace the confidence that comes with smooth, carefree skin.